Hi everyone, my name is Victoria and today I am doing review on this cool robot vacuum cleaner. Company OKP kindly sent me this product for review and let's open the box. Right. Alright. Inside we have instruction here. Our cleaner. Wow, I love the color. It's dark blue color. We have a cleaning brush that we have to install. 4 of them. Vacuum station and cable. Right, let's install brushes. And so like that. Take off our protection film. Inside our robot vacuum we have button right here to turn on or turn off. I put black pepper on the carpet to see how this vacuum cleaner will pick them up. And he did a great job actually. I decided to test the same thing on the floor and he did it perfectly. And now with coffee beans as well. The vacuum cleaner robot can suck up surface, dust, debris, pet hair and dirt. Let you enjoy a completely clean home. Automatically recognize carpets and switches to maximum suction mode. This vacuum offers 4 clean modes including auto clean, spot clean, age clean, manual mode. Has a battery life up to 2 hours. It will automatically return to the station for recharging when the battery is low. Instead of parking somewhere, you can find it. It's very easy to clean and big compartment for dust. And this robot vacuum comes with extra filter. It's right here. You can change it. And of course you can download application that's called Smart Life. Then you can connect through your robot vacuum through Wi-Fi. Guys, this is really great product. I love this robot because it's clean very well. It's clean my floors, my carpet, very quick, very easy to clean actually. I will definitely recommend you to buy this robot vacuum. You can find this product on Amazon.